What is up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a Kindle slash Amazon self-publishing video, as promised, on the hottest keyword of 2018 that you don't know. Now, what is the hottest keyword that everyone knows? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. I think just about everyone who's been serious about self-publishing has a Bitcoin book, the Intro to Bitcoin, and I'm gonna guess you were like me. Well, not like me. I broke even on my book thanks to publishing it on ACX. By the way, if you have not published your books, all of your books on ACX, I don't care if they're about Python programming. I have books on Python programming that are doing very well on ACX. Get your books on audio and don't do the 50-50 royalty split. I've done it. I'm an idiot for doing it. A lot of successful people have done it too. It's stupid. Go for the full entry. Pay your way for the audiobooks. Well, that was a little tangent there, but let's talk about a keyword that no one really acknowledges as being popular, yet it is super popular in the world of books. And it is... Oh, it is Donald Trump. So let's look at Donald Trump books. Now, why are we doing this? So we can see here, related to what I talked about yesterday, about finding, well, related to what Oliver was talking about in his interview with Emeka, a unique angle, like a unique hook to utilize a popular keyword like Donald Trump and see how you can play it into a book that might sell for you. So let's look at what's here. Obviously, we have the books written by the man himself, Mr. Trump. You will never be able to outrank him. Don't fucking try. That's not the whole point. I wouldn't even suggest publicly showing a book on Donald Trump. I tried it once. I had issues with that. Amazon wouldn't let me do it. So this is just a pure example. Now, if you want to give it a try, maybe you're going to be the 1% of self-publishers that have been able to pull it off. So let's take this a little bit more seriously. Donald Trump book, biography, Donald Trump. See, let's find one that's a little bit different from here. God and Donald Trump. That's funny. It's got to be a weird one. Let's look at page 2. Even though we're on page 2. There's probably books that still sell well. Here's one. Donald, don't grab that pussy. Maybe the guidance of Michelle Obama and her 5 animal friends. Young Donald Trump learns to use his tiny hands in a way of treating life with respect and care. Oh my gosh. Let's check this out. So, obviously, this is an offshoot of your typical Donald Trump book. This is making fun of the former allegations of sexual assault that he's made, along with the recording of him saying a few bad things, locker room talk back in the day. So here we go. It's a humor book. Now, as you are watching this, you're probably also sharing a feeling of being humored by this. So, this would be a book you might want to purchase if you're like a Donald Trump hater or you want Hillary to win. You think this is funny. It's like a good gag to share with your friends. Maybe teach your kid how to read if they're like not gonna get the joke. Now that's cool and all, but does it actually sell? It sells extremely well, despite being published about 5 months ago. Being a 24-page book. Granted, it is a colored picture book, but 24 pages of that. I'm not really experienced with books that are illustrated, but I would fare to guess that the budget for this book had to be between high end. I'm just going super high end. No more than $1,000 to produce. Okay, it sells extremely well. I would venture to guess it was making killer profits, killer sales during Christmas season, and it's still holding up very well. It is done by a self-published author. Only 32 reviews. And you know what? For a popular keyword like Donald Trump, that's going to be super hard to rank for. Again, I'm not saying you should publish on this keyword at all. You got to be creative and come up with your own, guys. Nothing's free here. Um, this self-published author managed to make it happen. Only 32 reviews. You can probably tell without looking at the reviews themselves. Some of these probably were swapped where the 56% of all reviews were either like genuine fans, maybe some were swaps, and the 1 stars are like calling it out for, possible quality issues of being a self-published book. And you know what? Just out of curiosity, I want to look inside. Like, this is a good self-published book. See, it's like even hiding the content. That's awesome. I love it. So you got to buy the book to even know what's inside. So like this is a great example of a book that takes a unique angle, a unique hook to a keyword. Like you would expect, like, oh, the biography of Donald Trump. Oh, like the, whatever. Real estate with Donald Trump, except yours is unauthorized. This is a humor book, all right, that, has a good title to it. Yeah, it is described here what the book is about, roughly, but it's fucking funny, and it's pretty darn cheap to buy, too. So, there you have it. Guys, tomorrow, huge news. Stay tuned. If you want an opportunity for free coaching, yes, free coaching, stay tuned. I'll have a featurette for you. If you like it, check it out. It's going to be huge, guys. Thanks. Bye.